Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do the daily calendar review. All right, so we are going to get started today by looking at our pattern pieces for the weekend. So what do you think comes after the sun? Did you say umbrella? Great job. All right, let's go ahead and find out how about Sunday? What do you think comes after the umbrella? Let's see. The flower, wonderful. All righty, and today, which is Monday, what do you think comes next? And it was the rain cloud. So today we uncovered the pieces umbrella, flower, rain cloud. All right, let's go ahead and say the date today. All right, today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Great job. All right, so if today is the 20th, what's the day before? The 19th. And what's the day after? The 21st. Good. Awesome. So if today is Monday, we got to figure out what yesterday was. What was yesterday? Sunday. And tomorrow, what comes after Monday? Tuesday. Great job. So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Why don't you guys say that for me? Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Excellent. All right. It is time for our spiral review. So go ahead and get out that piece of paper or be able to talk to an adult. And what coin is this? A quarter. That is correct. It is the tails of a quarter. And I can tell because it has an eagle. 3 and 1 is, all right, get that sentence on your piece of paper and answer it. All right, boys and girls, we are here to find out what 3 and 1 is. So I'm going to draw a quick picture to show my work. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 1 is 4. Excellent. Okay, next question. All right, boys and girls, so here we have 1 less and 1 more than 6. I'm going to give you guys a few moments to figure out that answer. All right, 1 less than 6. 1 less than 6. So I have 6 and I take 1 away. That means that I have 5. 5 is 1 less than 6. All right, now I have 6 and I want to add 1 more. So 6 and then 7. So 7 is 1 more than 6. Excellent. And our last question. Write the number 17. All right, boys and girls, now if I want to write the number 17, I'm going to first start with a 1, and then I'm going to write a 7. So 1, 7, 17. All right, boys and girls, I love you, I miss you, and I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.